Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Sun Communities, a leading real estate investment trust specializing in manufactured housing and recreational vehicle communities. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sun Communities has just released their third quarter results for 2025, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Sun Communities reported a net income per diluted share of 7 cents for the quarter. However, their core funds from operations, or core FFO, per share was 2.28. John, what does this tell us about their profitability?
While the net income per share might seem modest, the core FFO per share of $2.28 is a more relevant metric for REITs like Sun Communities. It indicates strong operational performance, especially considering the 5.4% increase in North America same-property NOI. This growth is supported by an impressive adjusted blended occupancy rate of 99.2% for their manufactured housing and RV sites.
That's quite an achievement. How does this compare to their performance last year?
Compared to the same period last year, Sun Communities has shown resilience and growth. The increase in NOI and occupancy rates highlights their effective management and the sustained demand for affordable housing and recreational experiences.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 2.18 based on a survey of 3 analysts. Sun Communities reported a core FFO per share of 2.28. How significant is this beat, John?
This is a notable beat. The actual core FFO per share of $2.28 exceeded the forecasted EPS of $2.18, indicating that Sun Communities outperformed expectations. This reflects their strong operational execution and ability to generate consistent cash flows, which is crucial for a REIT.
And what factors contributed to this outperformance?
The key drivers were the increase in same-property NOI and high occupancy rates. Additionally, their strategic initiatives, such as the sale of safe harbor marinas and subsequent capital returns to shareholders, have strengthened their financial position.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Sun Communities has been active on the strategic front. They completed the sale of safe harbor marinas, generating $5.5 billion in proceeds. How does this impact their market position?
The sale of safe harbor marinas was a strategic move to streamline their operations and focus on core assets. The proceeds have been used to return capital to shareholders and fund new acquisitions, such as the recent purchase of 14 communities for $457 million. This positions them well for future growth.
They also repurchased 2.3 million shares and entered into a new $2 billion credit facility. What does this say about their financial strategy?
These actions demonstrate a commitment to enhancing shareholder value and maintaining financial flexibility. The stock repurchase program indicates confidence in their business model, while the new credit facility provides ample liquidity to pursue further growth opportunities.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Sun Communities has raised their full-year core FFO guidance by 4 cents. What does this indicate about their future prospects?
Raising the guidance reflects their confidence in continued strong performance. They anticipate robust demand for manufactured housing and RV communities, supported by favorable market trends. The preliminary 2026 rental rate guidance of 5.0% for manufactured housing further underscores their positive outlook.
How do they view the UK market?
They've increased their UK same-property NOI growth guidance to 3.7 to 4.4%, indicating optimism about their international operations. The demand fundamentals remain strong, driven by the need for affordable housing solutions.